Hawaii, a place like no other, where aloha inspires the mind, invigorates the soul, and rewards the body. Hawaii is the crossroads of the Pacific, bridging east and west. It has become one of the most accessible and desirable business destinations in the world, providing the perfect spot for organizations wishing to expand their reach into Pacific Rim markets. And the state-of-the-art Hawaii Convention Center creates the perfect setting, with nearly 600,000 square feet of customizable space to host anything from an intimate gathering to a major event, or even a competitive sports tournament utilizing our state-of-the-art athletic courts. There's nothing like it anywhere. And like the beautiful islands themselves, the people of the Hawaii Convention Center shine with aloha in everything they do. From facilitating connections, to promoting events, to serving customized menus with locally sourced only in Hawaii delights. So whether it's broadening your market, sharing ideas, or rewarding your highest achievers, there's only one place: Hawaii. The Hawaii Convention Center, where business and aloha meet.